Good morning, guys. I just quickly want to run through analysis on Euro USD and what I'm seeing for the next couple of days and even today. There might definitely be some opportunities. I see there's also fundamental coming out tomorrow. Wait, what's today? Yeah, it's tomorrow. There's non-farm payroll, and yeah, NFP is going to be huge, guys, because the whole market can shift with NFP totally. So what I'm currently looking at is we are bearish on Euro USD. We did tap the bearish daily order block yesterday. Well, yesterday, and then yesterday we gave 2 days ago we tapped in, and then yesterday we gave the reaction. So we had a bearish day, but then we also did tap into an aggressive bullish order block on the lower time frame. So we are still in an uptrend going into this bearish order block. So there hasn't really been any shift yet to the downside. But if we do start shifting to the downside, then we might break structure to the downside, this low here. Now, if we do break this reaction, that means it's going to be a change of character. So if we go above this level that just gave the reaction, that's a change of character. And once that happens, that means we can definitely be bullish. Because then there might be a big shift and that we might get a big retracement on the weekly, and the weekly still really bearish, haven't broken any structure to the upside yet. But this reaction that we gave yesterday, if we can break that tomorrow or even today with the NFP, that's going to be huge, because then there's going to be huge buying opportunities. Now, today, I'm personally looking still for sells. Let's just go to the 4-hour. Okay, so you can see we did tap the 4-hour POI right here. Sorry, guys. So no, I can't look for sells. We have to look for buys, because in this bullish trend, or the 4-hour bullish trend, this was a very valid POI, and we did give a very nice reaction from it. Now, the same thing applies. So if we do get a change of character here on this reaction to the downside, then we can be bearish. So at this moment, we are still basically in a range on the high time frames. But if we do start breaking down, that means that this reaction that hold, or this daily bearish order block is holding, and then we might get a melt all the way down to this POI, unmitigated order block. And even below that. So what might happen is, I don't want to play it too far out, but we might melt, give a reaction, and then break the reaction, and then have a deep, deep melt. That's one option. The other option is just that we stay bullish. Even after tapping the bearish daily order block, we might still stay bullish. And if we do break this level here, that's a change of character on the daily, and that's going to be massive, because then there's going to be huge buying opportunities, and buying opportunities to actually hold for a long time. So yeah, so that's it from my side, guys. But at this stage, for me, if I want to take a trade at this stage, I would only look for buys, just because we are still bullish on the 4-hour and the 1-hour even. Let me just check the 1-hour. So technically the 1-hour wave is also the same thing. It's like from this low to this high. Now we had the retracement in the discount, and now we are starting to break structure again to the upside. We might have another dip, but if we hold this level and then break this level, bullish all the way. Then we might break, change of character, and then have a run. But at this stage, definitely bullish. So if I want to look for entries now for the London session, I would be on the 15 minutes. This is just my personal analysis. I would see and notice that we did take liquidity below this low here. And I do think this was the Asia low. Let me just make sure. Yeah, so that's perfect. So if you want to take intraday trades, it's very important that you understand the different session liquidity. So Tokyo session left behind a low. That low just got taken out or liquidated, and now we can actually have a nice run to the upside. So I know it does look like it's breaking structure to the downside, but remember, we are working on a very low time frame now, and we are bullish on the 4 hours and the 1 hour. So this is just the retracement. Now we might get a deeper retracement, It's not impossible, but for me, we did take liquidity now. So I dropped down to lower time frames and start looking for my entries. I would want to see a change of character. Now, change of character would be, for me, an aggressive change of character would be a reaction in this level here. So this is the like an aggressive bearish order block on the 5-minute. So I would want to see the market tap into there. So we already took liquidity here. Now I'm targeting the sell side liquidity up here. So coming up here, I want to see a reaction. Okay, and now we are tapping into that bearish order block. I want to see the reaction. I want to see a bearish candle. Okay, close below, and then I want to see a break of that reaction right here, and that would be a change of character. Now, then there's like a few ways you can enter. You can enter just market execution, going with the momentum, or you can have a point of interest then, or a bullish order block that you can look to put a limit order in and then take the trade. So yeah, that's just my analysis for today, guys. So I'm looking for buys in the London session, and I'm looking to target the Asia high liquidity, and there's like literally 3, like it's a triple top here. So that's a lot of liquidity sitting here. So now it's literally just all about waiting for this reaction now on the 5-minute, and then a break of the reaction, and then this might be the order block that we look to take buys from. So yeah, guys, that's it from my side. Enjoy your day and have a good one. Cheers.